Hi Gemini, welcome to your mid-month reading. This is for the month of February, mid-month of February, mid-month of 2021. Gemini, please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You will know if the message is meant for you. Be in the state of flow, Gemini. Allow things to come in and go. Breathe in peace, love, and harmony. Breathe out any stress, negative emotions that you've been holding on to. Let go of any attachments, any desires. Be in this place of absolute stillness, absolute bliss. Merge, integrate with your divine higher self. Gemini, this is for you. Let's see what the mid of February has for Gemini. It's blissful, it's serendipity. Gemini, you may be attracting, feeling that you are lucky with something. You may be at the end of the cycle, almost over it. You are completing some sort of cycle. Sorry about the noise that you hear. This is for you. Wow, there is a new beginning, Gemini. You get the Ace of Swords as the overall reading. Get serendipity. This is the card, Oracle card for you. Okay, I'll show you the cards, the overall energy as well, once I lay out the spread. Please ignore the noises that you hear in the background. Ooh, Gemini. You could be dealing with a Taurus, Libra, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Sagittarius. The overall energy for the reading is the Ace of Swords. A definite new beginning, a clear new beginning. I do sense you taking an action towards something. I'm not sure if you are or you're going to. Maybe by the mid of February you will understand something. You will whether to take that action or not. In the recent past, you have the Seven of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Three of Wands. You were waiting for something. You were waiting for something to happen. Or something has put you in the waiting mode. You were waiting for, I just heard you're waiting for somebody to reach somewhere to. Okay, I'm not sure whom that message was for, but definitely. Gemini, when you're moving forward, don't look behind. Whatever you've left behind, don't turn back and look at it. If you've left it behind, there's a reason why you left it. Keep going forward, Gemini. We'll clarify if needed, we'll clarify. In the present situation, you have the King of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Something that gave you emotional fulfillment. Somebody you loved for sure. Definitely you've loved somebody. There are feelings here. Maybe both ways. For some reason, you're putting some burden down in the relationship. You may not putting down the relationship entirely, but there is some aspect of the relationship that you are putting down. We'll see what that is as well. In the immediate future, you have the Empress, the Six of Swords, and the Two of Cups. I do see you moving with someone on some journey, some sort of journey. You're moving forward with somebody. Some of you could be moving in together into a different, maybe getting married and moving in. However it is, moving in together with your person. But there is a new beginning of some sort here. A new beginning of some sort. Moving away from the mindset, or a sneaky mindset, moving away from it. All right. Let's see what this is. Let's see what you're waiting for here in the recent past. Clarify the Three of Wands, please. Okay, let's see what that is. For the Three of Wands, you get the Two of Swords. Gemini, don't get stuck in your head and keep waiting for something. If it's meant for you, it will come to you. You don't have to try so hard and you don't have to wait. Let's see. The Ten of Wands here, please. Why is the Ten of Wands here for Gemini? There are two cards and one card. More clarity, please. The Ten of Wands. Alright. Okay. I'm taking that. We'll take these. Wow, you have the Queen of Cups here as well. You are putting down something that, what is, I don't know, something is hidden here. Something you're not seeing. You may not be seeing that your person also feels the same for you somewhere. Gemini, don't be in your head too much. Open up your heart a little. Yes, I do see a lot of energy here where you're stuck in your head. And maybe just because you are stuck in your head, you are not able to, you may be being very practical and logical, and maybe it's time to feel it, not think it. Maybe you are no longer waiting for this. You're no longer waiting for this. But you don't see that your person is also equally invested in you as you are in them. A very hot and cold energy, Gemini. Clarify the Empress, please. Yes, this could be a reconciliation of some sort. You are the Empress here, Gemini. You are the Empress here, but you are not stepping into your full potential. You are the Empress, but you're coming across as a page. You are going towards your person. but you're going not being the Empress but a page. Maybe when you feel from your heart is when you will realize what is it that you want instead of thinking so much. There is a new beginning, but I think before that you need to step into your heart center. Feel the energy in your heart center. It is speaking to you. Alright, Gemini, that's the message I have for you. Please take what resonated and leave what did not. If this was for you, you would know. Alright, guys, until next time, Gemini, see you soon. Bye bye.